Hi friends! One of these days, information about the amount of erroneously frozen funds will appear in the personal accounts of some participants. Only some. This information only applies to those who joined during the very early days of launch, when some bugs arose and were later fixed. The smart contract now working flawlessly for a long time already. But the return of erroneously frozen funds turned out to be an extremely difficult project, because in order to correctly calculate all the amounts, one needs to process 1 million transactions and connect all the chains, catching a variety of cases. Therefore, we completed it only now, and it remains only to upload the data to the back offices and carry out the last security procedures. Judging from many comments and discussions, as we can see, there are a large number of participants who mistakenly believe that they also have frozen funds. But it's a mistake. It turned out that many do not know metaphors marketing and expect passive income just for buying slot levels. The distortion of people's perception exacerbates the project which we call Scam Game Express, They instead of scam use, of course, the word smart, but the popular name Scam Game suits it better. Such fraud schemes generally poison the internet industry of earning, network marketing and cryptocurrency. But in the case of Scam Game, it's even worse because they linked it to the Forsage name. Not everyone is following what is happening, of course, in our business. So many are not aware that my former partners and I have been moving in different directions, in different ways for a long time. We are antipodes to each other. And information about passive income, we have been discussing about it for a long time. It is that people have a demand for passive income, of course. But a serious business cannot afford pyramid schemes. Any type of income, including passive, must be economically justified. And for this, we have to create multi-layered chains of ecosystem. Royalty NFT is one such source of passive, economically justified income of metaphors. Also, one of the nearest opportunities will be the IDO of our crypto, which starts along with the launch of the Uniteverse program, which will be very soon. After the end of IDO, our coin will already be on the free market, and no one can know exactly at what point it will grow and at what moment it can fall also, because you understand that the cryptocurrency market is very volatile. But we believe in long-term growth, and there are numerous mechanisms in our cryptonomics for strengthening. So the fourth coin itself has great potential. But besides this, with access to the free market, staking will appear. And I listed only the closest events of our roadmap. In the near future, there will be new tools for your capabilities. We are with you, Force.